Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to download Temu app. So in order to download a Temu app, you'll have to go to a Play Store if you are an Android user, and you'll have to go to your App Store if you are an iOS user. I'll be downloading the application from my Android, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Play Store. Once you tap on your Play Store, at the top left you can see a search icon. You'll have to go and tap on the search icon. You'll have to go and type Temu. So here you'll have to go and tap on the Temu application. Then tap on the install option that is written in a green box. So once you tap on install, you'll have to wait till it gets installed. So Temu is a shopping application that has you covered for many things including fashion, home decor, handmade crafts, beauty and cosmetics, clothing, shoes and more. So you can shop in Temu application. So once it's installed, you'll have to go and tap on open option that is written in green button. So once you tap on open option, it will take you directly to the Temu application. So that is how you download Temu application on your Android. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining.